guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I am going to be showing you guys Laura in the Kitchen Sunday sauce. And this is one of those recipes that I've made before, but honestly I thought that this was too good not to share. It's a red-based meat sauce for like pasta. It's delicious. It's just I just had to share. I just had to. Throughout this video, I'm just gonna go over the process and show you guys how it's made. And at the end of the video, I will give a review and let you know that it's love at first bite. So my first step was to season my ground pork. I use a seasoning blend. I will leave it linked down in the description, but I also use this for my zuppa toscana, just so you know it's very versatile. But I just seasoned it and mixed it all together with some clean hands. So it's really just the easiest way to get this done. And next I got going on my actual sauce. So I added some grass-fed ground beef that we get every year from a butcher and just cooked this all the way through. Seasoned it with salt and pepper and just made sure that it was no longer pink. And once that was all cooked, I went and removed it with a spider and added the beef to a separate bowl to set it aside, leaving as much fat as possible. This is a very lean beef, so I didn't have a ton, but I wanted to leave what was there for flavor in my sauce. And then I added in my ground pork and did the same thing. Broke that down, cooked it all the way through, got a little bit of caramelization for some more flavor, and set that aside as well. And then I did the exact same step with my chuck roast. And once the meat was all cooked, I went and cooked up an onion, got some color on that before I added all of the meat mixture back into my Dutch oven. And then added in a half of a cup of red wine. And I cooked that for a good 5 minutes to get all the alcohol out before I added in my canned tomatoes. So I used 3 28-ounce cans, the ones that I had available, but the recipe does call for certain canned tomato products, so go check that out in the description below. And then I rinsed out my cans with water and then added that in and stirred that all together. And once that came to a boil, I covered it and let it simmer for 6 hours, stirring every 30 minutes. And once it was all cooked through, it gets lovely, thick and luscious and delicious. Everything gets so soft and tender. This is phenomenal. And then I plated it with some pasta, added my yummy sauce on top. And of course, I topped it with some Parmesan and some basil. And of course, I have to rate this a 10 out of 10. This is one of my favorite meat sauces. If you make this, let me know down in the comments. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.